Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to cover how to handle returns and refunds on your Shopify store in 2024. If you ever face challenges with managing refunds, don't worry, we will break it down step by step so it's easy to follow. Let's get started. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Settings at the bottom left. Select Policies. Here we can see the return rules. Click on Manage and it shows the return window, which refers to the specific time frame during which customers are allowed to return items after their purchase. I am selecting 14 days here. Next, the return shipping cost refers to who is going to pay the return cost. You can also charge a restocking fee if needed. The term final sale item means that certain products are not eligible for returns. I am choosing a specific collections here and clicking on save. Now let's go back to the policy page. Next, look into the refund and return policies. A return and refund policy is essential for your Shopify store as it sets clear expectations for customers regarding returns and exchanges, helping to build trust and confidence in their purchases. In the policy section, you can customize your return policies and enable the return and refund policies. If you don't know how to get started, focus on Insert Template, which will automatically generate a refund policy template for you, and click on Publish. You can do the same for the privacy policy as well as for the teams of service and contact information. Now that I have added all these elements, let's navigate directly to your orders in the Shopify admin dashboard. Here you can find the orders here. Let's click this order which is fulfilled. For example, this item has now been marked as paid and fulfilled. So someone want to make the return of this product. If I choose to return in this case, I will select the item to be returned. What I'm going to do is choose the element that I want to return. Let's say the size was too small. If I want to exchange this item for another product instead of just making the return, now if you have the return shipping options, you can upload your return labels. This depends on whether you have the actual URL, a new tracking number, or a shipping carrier like AGS, Amazon, CDL, etc. or whatever. In this case, I am selecting no shipping is required. Lastly, go to create return. As you can see, the return is being created in progress. This means that what I need to do is ensure that the original order has been now added here. The total will appear and it will show as paid. This is how you can initiate a return. And also, if the customer now wants to refund this, you will see on the top right you have the option of refunding a product. For that, click on refund. Now you can provide the reason for the refund. I am going to specify that the item is damaged. Then you can see the total refund amount here and also enter the amount manually here, which is going to be the amount that you can refund to your customers. Then you can proceed with the refund over here and this will be refunded from your personal account. Now you will see this is refunded. And you will also see the customer information. The overall information will include the flat payment, the original order amount, the refund amount, and the net payment that the customer made. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to handle refunds and returns in your Shopify store. It's really simple and it's something that everyone experiences at some point. Don't hesitate to communicate with your customers about any issues. They will appreciate your transparency. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe.